Alright folks, here we are in our favorite lake fishing spot, trying to get some bluegills. So what Alan's doing is baiting his hook. He's using size 6 hook, small one, a little bit of lead and small bobber, just to feel those little light strikes. Let's see how it goes. Alright, recording, take it. Ooh, that's a decent one, huh? That's a big one. Like crappie? Oh, good job. Alright, let's see. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Slow it, slow it, slow it. Ooh, dude. Nice work. Look at that one. Alright, so what are you using for bait now?
I'm just using some wax worms here.
Wax worms? Awesome. That's a decent one. Nice job, man.
Thanks.
Thanks for pulling the bobber. I think you're getting the right too. See if I can irritate a little bit. Oh, pull it. Oh, there it is, there it is. There we go. Ah, how about that?
Nice.
Not bad, not bad. Set it. Nice and easy. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Look at that, huh? What do you think about that? What are you using still?
Still using the wax worms.
Uh-huh. We
Beautiful
went a little
fish.
deeper now, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
So they were biting about 2.5 foot, and then they stopped biting, so we switched to about 4 foot. And now we're getting some decent ones. Nice job on it. I'm getting some good bites. Oh, there he goes. Oh, nice set. Easy. I'll bring him out. Woo! They're biting fast. What do you got there? Another bluegill?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, keep stacking them. Man, they're hitting as soon as we let it go.
Nice.
Oh, there's another big one, huh? Wow. All right, looks like we're getting some action on this one. It went really loose, then really tight. Oh, you set the hook? Oh,
Yep.
Easy, 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 easy. Whoa, what is that?
It's a bull head.
Bullhead. Oh, I got wrapped around. What in the world? We've never seen those. Oh, that's awesome, man. Nice job. All right, so what'd you use as bait on that one?
Just some night crawlers.
Man, we've never seen bullheads here. That's awesome. Nice job, dude.
Thanks.
I think something's pulling it. Oh, there it is. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Ah, nice little crappie. That's a good looking fish, man.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
All right, guy. That's a good day, bluegill fishing, man. So we started just using wax worms, fairly shallow. We got a couple, and then it stopped biting, so we went deep. We got several too, and then it stopped biting again, so we switched to night crawlers, and then we got some big ones. So, yeah, good days haul, man. See you next time.